Well, as I walk over here, I am freezing. But I'm gonna activate this switch right here that activates the jacuzzi. Oh, inside the jacuzzi. Oh, this is a lot better. Oh, this jacuzzi, the water in the jacuzzi is real hot. Very hot. I'll stay in there for a little while and get my body heated up again. Oh my God. But I'm going to go and turn off the camera because my battery on the GoPro Hero 9, I haven't charged it since yesterday. So it did yesterday's video and it's probably going to do today's video. So I'm going to go and turn it off for now because it's coming up to the yellow on the battery. I have no idea what yellow is here. 35% of battery left. It's a big battery. I like it because it lasts a little bit longer. It does last a little bit longer than the GoPro Hero 8. Maybe not as long as the GoPro Max, but eventually I'm gonna need to buy another battery. I got the charger with the extra battery, but that's okay. But I really would like to have at least 3 batteries, 1 in the camera and 2 in the chargers. That way I'm super secure, knowing that if I go someplace and I can't charge my batteries, at least I got 2 good batteries that I can play with. So anyway, I'm gonna shut it down for now. As I said, I wanted to make this video to show that the GoPro Hero 9, the way it looks on the time lapse or time warp, I think it's called time warp, using the Max Media, the Max Mod lens. I bought it a few days ago. I've been astonished. I can't see the difference in the video. It's nice. I like it. I didn't regret paying the amount that GoPro wanted for the lens. I like it. So I got everything else already. I got the media mod, the mod display, the LED light, and of course I have this with the Rode wireless microphone. But I haven't not used that yet because I've been enjoying this one in the water. Since you know you can't use the mod media inside the water, you'll ruin your camera if it's not waterproof. Right now it's waterproof, so I know that the door is secure because I haven't had any problems with the camera yet. Anyway, this is Dave, and I'm gonna turn the camera off. You all have a good day. Maintain that social distancing, and we got what, 7 or 6 more days for Thanksgiving. You all be very careful out there with that COVID-19. We don't want to be losing people, your relatives and your friends and stuff like that. Don't risk it. But I don't believe in that isolation trap either. I think the isolation trap makes a person more depressed. I would be depressed. I mean, I'm single. I'm not even married, and just as it is, sometimes during the Christmas holidays, I get a little depressed because I'm lonely. I'm by myself. I don't have a companion. But and then they want you to do they want you to isolate yourself from everybody else. I mean, yes, I know it's a very deadly disease, but not during the Christmas, not during the Thanksgiving. Anyways, I'm rambling on too much. So y'all have a good day. And God bless. Well, this is the Max mod on the Hero 9, and it's on wide. Let's see if I can maybe get a better picture here, because the sun is barely coming out. It's actually, what time is it? I can't tell. Watch won't cooperate. It's early in the morning. I did an underwater time warp. I did above water time warp. So that's all I need to do for today to make today's video possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it back in. I'm gonna close this thing out, the tripod, and I'm gonna put it back forward and anyways, I'm gonna go and shut her down. This is Dave here. We're at the Gold Gym in Austin, Texas, and the water's warm, but I gotta stay under the water in order to maintain myself warm. I'm gonna go back to the jacuzzi and warm up the body a little bit hotter, so by the time I go inside and change, I won't feel cold. Because if I do it from here, if I do it directly from here, the water's warm. Don't get me wrong, the swimming pool is warm, but it's not warm enough for me to make it through these steps right here all the way to the inside of the building. And the inside of the building might have a little bit of air conditioning, or although it's cold outside, but the sun is out, but it might still be cold inside. And by the time I get this shirt off and my shorts off and start changing, I'm gonna freeze in there. So it's better and it's best if I just go ahead and get in the jacuzzi and stay in there for a little while. Stay in there for a little while the body gets real heated up, because it's hotter in the jacuzzi than it is in the swimming pool. So once the body's heated up, then I can get out and turn it off and go back inside, and I'd be able to make it inside the locker where I'd be able to take off my shorts and everything and change, and I'd still feel warm. So by the time I get out and start walking towards the parking lot and get inside my vehicle, I'll feel perfectly normal then. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a morning. What was that? I was texting. I was texting, and this is the I really don't like the phone that much, although it has a wonderful camera. But this is the S20 Ultra from Samsung. It's got 164 gigabytes built in, and I got 1 terabyte SD card, but it doesn't work well with the GoPro Hero 9. I don't know why. It's very buggy. I'm still gonna keep it, but I'm in the process of getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max in one terabyte. So that one never has any problems with communicating with GoPro or any other camera, to be honest. I'm not trying to say bad things about Samsung, but for some reason or another, it just doesn't want to cooperate with these GoPro cameras. It will read it and it will write it, but it's buggy. It suddenly it crashes, or suddenly it just doesn't want to work well. So still, it's been with me for a while. As I said, I don't want to let it go, because the camera on this Samsung is a lot better than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is actually an 8K phone in comparison to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Is still 4K. There's really nothing special about. Anyways, I'm gonna get back inside, and I'm gonna go to the jacuzzi and put all this stuff in here. And pause it for a little bit.